Coors Light. Look at that foamy ass shit. Fucking Coors Light, nasty ass beer. This is gonna be a good burp video. And it's blue on the inside of the can.
Our losers are back in the storage again.
What?
We're back in the storage again.
That's right.
With your car seat right there.
These motherfuckers like drinking water. Drink the whole 12 pack of these. Newport brand. Maybe you heard that. That was sweet.
You're silly.
That's right. Need a pink lighter. Here. Here's the beer I just opened. Look, it's still full. Show 'em, baby. It's still full. Does that thing have seconds on it?
It's at 26.9. Ow, I just hit my head again.
Alright, here we go. Power burps.
Keep it down.
I can keep the shit down, brown cloud. Name this video, Power Motherfucking Burps. It's about 20 degrees outside. I'm hiding in my storage. What? Yeah, Coors Light's so gross. All you fucking Coors Light drinkers go to hell.
Be nice.
Be nice. I'm always hiding behind the camera, of course. I won't be on video.
Hello.
Saying hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, how you doing? That's two in the pink, one in the stink.
Silly.
Here's a double header. Watch this. Oh, I couldn't fart. I'm gonna shit myself.
I'm stopping after this one because I don't want to hold it anymore.
Fair enough.
Hurry up.
I'm not drinking any more beers because I've had like 2 40s, about 4 beers.
And that 24-ounce can that we shared.
Oh yeah, and that Red Dog. Alright, bitches.
I'm gonna...
Mountain Deuces.